So, who is the strongest overall? Can you give a guess? Guess, show it a wall.
Clap for Aryan, please. He's still not going to come on stage till all of you make a lot of noise. Give it up for Aryan, everybody!
Could you keep it this side? Could you keep it this side? Not working. Are you able to hear me? Are you guys having a good time? Okay, so my name is Aryan Nala and I'll be performing magic for you guys. So before I start, how many of you like superheroes? Raise your hand. Okay, Shaktiman, but who all are here Marvel fans? Give me a cheer and raise your hands. So for this trick, I need 7 people. Who all can come on the stage? From that side. 7 people Marvel fans, come. Anu, could you also join me on the stage? Anu, could you also join me on the stage? Okay, one is there. Aajo, log sab aajo bhai. Come. Mal, koi bhi aajo, anyone, girls, guys. Any girls? So we have 3 guys. We have Anu. Give it up for them. Could you give them? Yeah. Just stand there. aajo bhai, koi ladkiyan nahi hai Marvel fans? I have 1, 2. Yes. Thank you. 3, 4, 5, 6. I need one more. Girl can also come. So, okay. ठीक है, I think only guys are superhero fans. नहीं आ रहा कोई? Anyone? कोई? IBM से है कोई? Anyone from IBM? बड़ी dull crowd है यार. I'll give you a prize if you can come. Yes, I'll give you a prize. Thank you. So I'm also a... No, I need 7 people. You are the... Yeah. Okay, just 1 second. So could you just stay on stage and keep this safe with you? Don't protect this with your life. Don't let anyone touch this. Okay. So, we have 7. Okay, cool. So I have these envelopes with me. I'll just shuffle them. And all of these contain some superheroes. Anyone can grab any envelope. Just select anyone. Don't open it yet. Anyone you can take. Okay. Just don't open it. It has a superhero banner. It will be your secret identity. Okay. So let's start. So we'll just play a battle. We'll just play a game, everyone, and all of you can participate. So we'll select 2 people and we'll try to make them fight. Actually, लड़ने मत लग जाना हाथापाई पे. Just for fun. So let's say, so what's your name? Tarun. Could you select any 2 of them? Any 2? This guy and her? Okay, so basically don't open it. So we'll select a loser. Okay. What's your name? And don't open it yet. Don't peek also. What's your name? Natika. Okay. And sir, what's your name? Okay, so she has kind of stepped back. So she's already considering herself the winner. So you'll be the loser, sir. कोई नहीं, हम लड़के हमारे साथ ऐसा ही होता है. Could you open it and show it to everyone? What's your superhero? What's Spider-Man? Could you show? Okay, so Spider-Man lost, right? So just say on the stage. So Spider-Man lost. Who all were Spider-Man fans? Okay, no one is Spider-Man fan. ये है, ठीक है. Okay, so now you select. So we'll basically play a game, right? Could you stand on the side? You lost. So now we have 6 people. Now I'll decide 2 of them. Maybe let's go with the corner people. So you can step forward, and could you step forward? So give it up. Yes, that is. Hello ma'am, hello sir. Could you decide what's your name? Hamza. And sir? Sudesh. Just decide. It is all random, okay? You can decide Hamza or Sudesh. Which one will you choose? Hamza? Okay, so judges say Hamza is lost. Sir, could you show your superhero who lost? Scarlet Witch. Okay, woo! Yes, we have female superheroes also, feminism and all. You guys can cheer. Okay, now we have 5 people, right? Now let's do some more randomness. Could you switch sides? Just click, just थोड़ा इधर उधर हो जाओ सब लोग. Very coily. Now from the judges again, could you say any number between 1 to 5? Just any number between 5 from this side or that side? Okay, that side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, sir, you lost. Give it up for, what's your name? Give it up for Sudesh. He lost. Let's see his superhero. Okay, so we have Black Widow again. So इतने सारे लोगों को, so you can also join the dead side of the Avengers. I think you can play the music. Maybe the audience will get some excitement. So we have 4 of you left, right? Now again, this time let's see. Okay, so you haven't come, right? Could you step forward? Just don't. अभी हारे नहीं हो. Could you also step forward? ठीक है, let's be random. Here he's wearing black, you are wearing blue. Just give it a cheer. Who all wants him to lose? Don't say shout. Okay. And who wants this guy to lose? Okay, the audience has decided, sir. Sorry. You can go back. What's your name? Kiran. So Kiran के लिए cheers तो आए गए हैं सर. अपना हारा हुआ सुपर हीरो दिखा दीजिए. Okay, Captain America fans. Give it a cheer. Captain America has died. Okay, so we are down to the last 3. Oh, okay, so we'll just wrap it up quickly. Again, we'll do the, sir, आप आ जाओ office, and आप आ जाइए. Now again, judges. So you are from which company? Baker Tilly. You are from which company? CBRE and Baker Tilly. कौन हारेगा? Shout in it. CBRE, give it cheer. Okay, and Baker Tilly, give it cheer. Sorry ma'am, the crowd has randomly decided they don't like you. So Iron Man has lost. Thank you. You can join that side. Iron Man has lost. So now we have just 2 of them. What's your good name? Tarun and Akshay. So सबको मौका मिला. एक बार magician का भी मौका मिल जाएगा. Tarun and Akshay. देखते हैं. I think Tarun is more buffed up. I think he will beat you easily. Am I right or am I right? So sir, could you show who lost? Okay, Loki has lost, the villain. So I think we have a winner here. Don't just show it yet. So इतनी देर से इतने सारे सुपर हीरो, Spider-Man, Iron Man, just one minute. Spider-Man, Iron Man सब हार गए. Who is the strongest Avenger? Who is the mightiest of all? Could you play some music? Music? So who is the strongest of all? Can you give a guess? Yes, show it all. So Hello Kitty from Melody has won. ये है शबीर और वीर महावीर, बहुत शक्तिशाली, right? So you have won. You are the winner. Give it up for him. Give it up for Melody. But Anu is thinking, इसमें magic क्या था? Half of you are amazed. ठीक है, this is funny. This might be a coincidence. Half of you are thinking, where's the magic in it, right? Now, if anyone, this is all random events. You randomly decided who will win or who will lose. Judges decided pure permutation combination day, right? Could you have predicted who could have won? Could you have decided who could have won? If I could have done that, would be magic, right? Could you please join me on stage? Would that be amazing? If I could have predicted the future? Yes?
Yes.
No? So this has been sealed. I gave it to you in the beginning, right? Could you tear it open? This is not sponsored by Zepto. So our winner is Hello Kitty. That's magic. That was my prediction. Then make it. Yes, you can make it. Thank you, guys. This is Aryan and that was your night. I hope you enjoyed my magic.
Very cool, Aryan. I think everybody really enjoyed this. You made it very interactive. Please join your hands together for Aryan once again.
Thank you. If you like my magic, you can just search Google my name.
All right, all the very best, Aryan. Let's hope that